There are lawnmowers that no longer belong in the backyard, but step directly into industrial-scale agriculture, where a single run can process tens of hectares in just a few hours. Their size, power, and efficiency are enough to make anyone rethink what mowing the lawn actually means. But which ones are the largest and most impressive machines to watch? If you love truly massive machines, hit that subscribe button right now, because as we move down this list, their sizes will go far beyond your imagination. Number 1. Kron Big M 450. This is the king of self-propelled mowers, delivering around 450 horsepower and over 9 meters of cutting width. Built for massive scale operations, it can process tens of hectares per hour. Its size, speed, and efficiency make it one of the most powerful mowing machines ever built. On camera, it feels like a true beast, slowly moving while completely clearing everything behind it. Number 2. Speed Rower 260 Plus. It is a large, self-propelled mower with high power and productivity, capable of handling vast areas quickly. Its modern cab and precise controls provide full operator control, making it feel like a giant grass harvester. Number 3. John Deere W260. It is more than a mower. It's a full harvesting system with a wide cutting header and windrowing capability. Its powerful engine supports continuous operation over large fields, combining speed and precision for efficient harvesting. If you are still finding it hard to choose the ultimate machine at this point, drop your favorite ranking number in the comments right now, because from the top 3 onwards, we are stepping into the realm of absolute mechanical monsters. Number 4. Claas Disco 1100 RC. It is one of the largest mowing systems, offering over 10 meters of working width with roller conditioners for faster drying. When operating, it spreads like massive wings, sweeping fields at high speed. It's built for industrial-scale farming where efficiency is critical. Number 5. Kron EasyCut V950 Collect. This is a large-scale, rear-mounted mowing system with a cutting width of nearly 10 meters. It not only cuts, but also collects and arranges grass into rows for harvesting. Its most impressive aspect is scale. One pass clears a massive strip of land. On camera, it feels like it's devouring entire fields in a single sweep. Number 6. John Deere Z994R. It is a powerful commercial mower featuring a 37 horsepower diesel engine and a heavy-duty frame for long operation in tough environments. With a wide cutting deck and high speed, it handles large areas efficiently while maintaining consistent quality. Its key strength is endurance, delivering reliable performance over long hours. On camera, it feels like a compact tank, steady, strong, and efficient. Number 7. Kubota ZD1511. It represents a professional-grade mower with high maneuverability, powered by a 30 horsepower diesel engine and a zero-turn system that allows near-instant pivoting, making it ideal for large areas like golf courses. Its 1.8-meter cutting deck delivers efficient grass handling with clean and even results. On camera, it feels compact yet extremely decisive, slicing through grass with precision. This is a machine built for high productivity with maximum control.